Dr. Robert Pringle.
So, communities can best be represented as networks showing interactions between species. So this is an example of a food web from an African savanna, and it's not a complete one. There are species here. There are species missing from this graph, but it's an illustrative one. So we have plants here at the bottom of the food web, and we have a series of herbivores ranging from small grasshoppers all the way up to elephants, impala, and then we have some intermediate carnivores, and then our top predators at the very top. And each line in this network represents what we call a direct effect, right? So if I were to highlight this particular chain within the interaction, we see that there's a direct effect of the leopard on the impala and a direct effect of the impala on the tree or whatever plant species it happens to be eating. Now, I want to introduce to you guys the concept of a trophic cascade. So the impala eats the plant, and that, as I said, is a direct effect. And it's a negative effect on the plant that the impala is exerting. And the leopard eats the impala and exerts a negative effect, direct effect on the impala. And consequently, what you get is a positive indirect effect of the predator on the plants. Okay? And that's the famous trophic cascade, and there's a lot of attention to this phenomenon in ecology in the present day.